The Secret Garden. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Mary who lived in a grand but gloomy house with her uncle and cousins. She was often lonely, as her cousins didn't like to play with her and her uncle was always busy with his work. One day, while exploring the house, Mary stumbled upon a locked door that she had never seen before. She tried the handle, but it wouldn't budge. She asked her uncle about the door, but he just told her it was nothing and to leave it alone. But Mary couldn't shake the feeling that there was something special behind that door. She decided to investigate and found an old key hidden in a vase on the mantelpiece. Excitedly, she unlocked the door and opened it to reveal a beautiful secret garden. The garden was overgrown and wild, but it was also filled with the most beautiful flowers and plants. Mary spent her days exploring the garden, discovering new flowers and making friends with the animals who lived there. She would spend hours reading her books, or just enjoying the peace and quiet of the garden. As she spent more time in the garden, Mary started to change. She became more confident, happier, and more outgoing. Her uncle and cousins noticed the change in her and asked her what her secret was. Mary showed them the secret garden, and they were amazed by its beauty. Her uncle was glad that she had found something that made her happy, and he decided to open the garden to the public, so that others could enjoy it too. The secret garden became famous, and people came from all around to see it. Mary was happy that others could enjoy the garden as much as she did, and she became known as the girl who had brought the garden back to life.